I came from a rural background where I completed my schooling where I had only one teacher for 5th to 10th class, and he never taught us change the voice, tenses, grammar, total grammar portion. So I am always in search of the mentor who taught us, teach us such things. And when Sudhanshu sir introduced about EIP session, I already decided I will definitely join this session. And in first 2-3 session, you already noticed that I am speaking whatever in my mind I am speaking, but it was not grammatically correct. But you always supported and guided to talk with grammatically correct. It will helpful in your corporate life, and I am working on it. Thank you very much for your guidance throughout.